megalayapost.news.
Daka Jingso Sarong ke 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC Shillong mentaka sngi kilalek menpiang burom ya kasamla Rifnes Varjri hadin bakalawan pai syaka jela naka jinglik kiu ya ulum Mount Everest kebalalong haka khatratrik ujemang aja absan haka jinglik cimenta haka NCC Mount Everest Expedition ajar absan ka Jing Sarong ya kajela Meghalaya kadiru bakasamla Rifnes Varjri kaditang maka naka jela syate lamingi kari India kabala syajit ban cimenta hakane ka NCC Mount Everest Expedition aja absan kaderu kasin kabasau kum kasamla nakajela kabalala bankiu ya ulum Mount Everest kata hadin ugari garman lamare house name ajar ar kakong wansuk merthong house name ajar khatlai bat kadolin kharbi house name ajar khanriu kumban pentipaj ba kasamla Rifnes Varjri kaladon arpus name karta bat kaderu kasamla puli na St Anthony's College Shillong bat kum ka NCC haka 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC kajela Meghalaya kasamla Rifnes Varjri kalala bankiu sheduk clear ulum Mount Everest haka khatratrik ujemang aja arpsan haga jingcengai kebalong prahajar praspa sahupra mitar nasla duriau kum kajing sarong ya kasamla Rifnes Varjri kebalawan ra eka nam keburom ya kajela nakaliang ke 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC haga jingyalam ka Major AG Varjri rengkat ki NCC kadet kikmi kikpa bat ki bahing hasem mentaka sngi kilalik mempiang burom yaka na umro airport hadin bakalawan pai nak ketiga jingkop kiulum shalaying salasem haga jela Meghalaya.
Jongka kur Varjri hibrok kawai isngo bakane kadai kasngi kebakrau bat kebasa jingken mau nam prajongi ka kur Varjri lambat kajak benreu kasih hibrok kawai kanu ngidap ke jingkeman kebakrau kumu general secretary jong sangkur Varjri jongka briu nyutrap nasngo ba kalong ka jingkeman bat keburam kebakrau ya ka kur kajak jongi hibrok kawai kalong ka jingkeman kebakrau bat keburam kebakrau ya kajak benreu kasih jongi bat ya kajelahi barok kawai kumba kalong hadu mata ngismutu ba ini Rifnes Varjri bang jukot iklori iweni kun sajungi ndai ba imi ikmat tang takakur tang takajela dengistu nang tak nor is India hi barok kawai idai tang ba imarwai dengisngo bakadai ka buram ka bakrau ya kaya ying kasam ya ka jat kakur ya ka jela bat ya ka ari India hi barok kawai kebesyua ngisngo ban ayak ning masih cha iwai ne ki kun samlah kat ki badon laki jong kisap ki phong lah gini penta kin penut kam hok ya tu kisap ki bu belai ulah ki bat bangidon ke jingkerman baki wai ki samaru la kalong nakinu ki kur om tang nak kur Varjri jongi nrai baro ki kun khasi ki jongi haki wiksi ki laban pen i ya laki jong kisap ki phong baki wanra ya kanang kuburam nam ta kayeng kasam nam ta kajai kakur nam ta kari bakajai bendri berkuat kiar nakini ki jingdi bersniu khantam ka kiat udrox mah bat kini ki jingmi bersniu kini laban lain nang tabat ken IT yalade kat kontrol kosap wakidam ingai skamba sisin kasni kin kiu seklian lum jakana.
See, there's no dearth of potential in the Northeast. Our children are very, very good, but what they have is a latent potential. So unless somebody identifies them and grooms them, because our children here, they don't come on their own and say that I'm good in this, I'm good in this. You have to pinpoint the latent potential which is there. Every child of this state has got a latent potential. It's just the grooming which is required. And that is where the NCC comes into play. When we look at a child, we look at her, you'll be looking at her as a student. We don't look at her as a student. We look at her as a potential youth leader. So when we see her talent, that innate talent, we try to polish it. And, for Cadet Rifnes to achieve such a, momentous achievement, it is the hard work of the officers and the stars of Battalion 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. We groom her and then we send her, and then of course I will not fail in my duty to comment on the role which is being played by the principal of St. Anthony's College as well as the ANO of the college, Lieutenant Dayomika, because you see in NCC when we detail a cadet, we have to pass through 3 phases. One is the selection phase from our side. And then we have to motivate the cadet, motivate the institute in which the college, because that many classes has to be spared by the college. And then last, it is the parents that we have to motivate. Because for, for something as big as Mount Everest, we cannot send a child unless that child has got the blessings of her parents. So it is a very, very proud moment. She is the youngest, Rifinus is the youngest one who's this thing. And she'll be a beacon of hope, for all the children that, a child from this place can also dream big. Can dream big, she can achieve her dreams, and she has to work hard. The hard work put in by the cadet is insurmountable. She has put in lots of effort to achieve such this thing. Though I was expecting it, but it's a very tedious, arduous process in selection. In my first posting here also, I had motivated a few cadets, but unfortunately that time they passed out the last phase. So I'm very, very happy that she was able to do it. For the parents, it must have been a very, a moment of tension, because, for an officer like me also, sending a child, to Mount Everest, it is also a very, it's a very big, big responsibility that I'm taking, because, but at the end of the day, for any, big moment like this, there has to be sacrifices. And I'm very happy, that the parents supported her. Otherwise, this would have not been possible without the support. I'm always reminded of the poem, Baro ubri wastat, mano bala benden, laklem da pleka lat, kumnu unlike benkren. Opportunities are there everywhere. It's for a child to take in and grab. There is no dearth of potential in Meghalaya. I've seen the children. This is my second posting. I've seen the children. There's no dearth of potential here. It's just the will, that I can be, the best version of myself. And once they have that in the heart, there's no stopping them. Every child has got a right to dream, and it is a parent's responsibility to, be their wings, behind them so they can fly higher.
Pilaya wan pejang soba ani recommend bangawan ru da kajing job na benta ka jilla la jong ban na benta ka yang kasam ban na benta baro ahi de na kadau jong pi bangan sawan ni da kajing job pulai shibun te ngamla kham da songo nungkong yu blai na mar klema u shisha ngamla shisha bangan ki te ulon ma u Everest shisha ulong shisha u bajuan u ba re ngaklem give up te kulay shibun pi baro te nga ai kublay ro ka NCC kabala ay nga kani kalat ka kabuk syar bangan la ban mat ikini ki baro mo kum ki lalong ki sports mo kum boong te ngamla klem das ngongu ru ya ka ba ye bahing hasam jonga imei pa ki bala sha nga bangan wan bangan le kum ya kani ka balong is between life and death ru tamba ki la shanya shisha yang bangan sala bangan wan ru ka jingjap ka dong smoke comment te kulay shibun pi baro ba pilaya I men siam yang support yang badon kalam bat ha yang hoi ka jingkyu yu te ulum Everest ngan ong pi kalong shisha ka ba tamba ngaklam give up ngaklam randien ndai kai ka jing penkan mau yang ban I men siam ru ka dei na pi baro hi kum le imei pa ki baju I men siam kanu ngalong excited por bang dang ya ngong lanu bang dep nang ni man wan pai ngan yo call siyeng ba ong bang I did it. That's the most kaba happy for me, happy moment. Te nga yaki samla baro ro nga kwa ban kuntu ba yaki eke ba phile shanya hala di khamtam na marba nada phim shanya yala di phim te bik eke ba ke man salong te ngan ong yupi ki kun samla baro ku mangaro ngadang mat hi kini ki yu te shisha kamlong ka basuk haka jing im jong nginget ba kamlong shisha ka basuk hendai phimdei ban sulong kut no haka e gala da piso tho ba ka na phin kut no tang hangta hendai phin long positive yala de sanya scam ho blai but kan yat hi kam ta hi kumbangaro nga sanya scam ho blai but nga yat da ka jing ngai ba ka jing sanya hau ta da ngan sala bangan pendap kanong ka journey jong ke Everest ngan ong pi ba Kadehi na NCC ka balaya lam. Nado ba ngadang late school hapo auxilium convent ka idan imam jongi GCI imam Dolly hi maihi badan idan hat ka kyam per bangadang syong tu idang yathu khana ingi pangga Everest ka jing ya lenti ka jong i tenang tu kin ngan sasdang ba Everest te hadian pan tu daladai hapo ki college ngan sasdang ban join biang na benta ki SW jong ka senior wings jong NCC tenang tu kin ngan sayo pat bangan experience baki kadan ki selection process baki ong bakan sada na benta ki Everest 2025 te ngalait ken ban
Meghalaya Post.news